Are you planning to study in Germany in 2025? Stop everything, because the visa process just changed. The German Federal Ministry has completely revamped the student visa process for 2025. If you're planning to study, this is a game changer. The government has just launched a new digital visa portal because the previous system was slow and frustrating. Students were waiting for months just to get a visa appointment, leading to delays in their studies. But now, Germany has finally fixed this. No more waiting for months just to get an appointment. The new CSP system makes visa applications faster and simpler.
Alright, the German student visa process has been simplified into 4 easy steps. Here is what you need to do. All you have to do is register on the CSP portal, create an account, upload your documents, and once your documents are approved, schedule your biometric verification appointment at VFS center near you. Now, let me explain the process in detail. First, go to the official website digital.diplo.de. The link is also available in the description below. Once you're on this website, click on Visa and you will see different visa categories. Since we are applying for student visa, select the option for study purposes. Scroll all the way down and select your country. Then, based on the state you belong to, choose the appropriate application center. Next, click on Apply Online, and before you proceed, you'll be asked to give your consent. Click Confirm to continue. Now, it's time to register on the CSP portal. Enter your email ID, set a strong password, and agree to the terms by giving your consent. And click Register. You will receive a confirmation link in your email box. Open your mail, click the link to confirm your account, and then continue to the next step. Now, log into your CSP account using your email ID and password. Once you're inside, you'll see this dashboard, where your application process is divided into 3 main steps: entry form, VIDEX form, and uploading your documents. Let's start with the entry form. Here, you simply need to tick the boxes and provide all the required details. The first question is, you would like to study in Germany. Have you already been admitted to a degree program at a German university? Choose yes if you have already received an official admit letter from a German university for a bachelor's, master's, or PhD program. Select the second option if you have not yet been admitted to a full degree program but you have an acceptance letter, example for a preparatory college or language courses. And third option, if you would like to travel to Germany to look for a university place, choose only if you don't have an admission letter yet, but you plan to search for a university after arriving in Germany. So in the usual case, it will be the first option. And the second one, do you have a degree from a German school abroad or a higher education entrance qualification or entrance qualification for universities of applied sciences obtained in Germany, which qualifies you for a higher education studies in Germany? Choose your options according to your cases. Usually it will be no if you have completed your degree in India. Are you allowed to study straight away once you have been admitted? Yes or no, choose your options according to your cases, and usually it will be yes. What kind of degree program is it? I have been admitted to a full-time degree program and can start straight away. I have been admitted to a full-time degree program and can basically start straight away. Admission is subject to a condition that is not a preparatory program. I have been admitted to a part-time degree program and can start straight away. Choose your option according to your case, and let's move to the next part. Is it a doctorate with the aim of obtaining a PhD? Choose yes or no. Usually it will be no. And do you have level B2 German language skills or higher and you can prove this with any language certificate? Yes, if you have it. No, I can prove the language skill required for my degree program by other means. Choose your option. Usually it will be the second. How will you provide proof of the required language skills for your degree program? My language skills were tested by the university. I can prove this with a letter of admission from the university. My language skills were tested by the university. I can prove this with separate confirmation from the university. I can prove the required knowledge of the language instruction by means of a language certificate. I currently have no suitable proof of my language skills. Choose your option according to your case. The next thing, Do you have a German or EU scholarship that covers all or part of your living expenses? Yes, I can already cover my living expenses in full with the German or EU scholarship. Yes, I can partially cover my living expenses with the German or EU scholarship. No, I can prove that I can support myself in other ways. If you have scholarships, you can tick the boxes, otherwise you can choose no. How will you secure your livelihood during your first year of study? I will secure my livelihood entirely through a blocked account, a declaration of commitment, other funding programs or similar support. I will secure my livelihood partly through a blocked account. And the last one is, I do not have suitable proof of how I will fully secure my livelihood. Now, when it comes to opening a blocked account and getting your insurance proof, the process can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, Coracle has got you covered. Coracle is one of the most economical, highly rated and trusted platforms for international students with a seamless online process, fast approvals and excellent customer support. You can set up your blocked account hassle-free and get the necessary insurance proof in no time. Usually, students have blocked account and choose option 1. Do you have to pay tuition fees for your studies in addition to the semester fees? Yes, the fee amounts are listed in the university's letter of admission. Yes, I can prove the fee amounts with an additional document from the university, and the last option is no. Usually in public universities, there will be no tuition fees and you can click on no. If in certain public universities, they might have listed a certain university fee, check your admission letter and choose the correct option. Did you complete your school education in China, India or Vietnam? Choose according to your country, yes or no. Do you have an APS certificate? Obviously yes. Are you of legal age at the time of application in the country in which you are applying? Click on yes. Now that your entry form is complete, the next step is to fill out the VIDEX form and upload all the required documents. Here is a step-by-step guide to ensure you complete it correctly. Fill out the VIDEX form, personal details, fill in your full name, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, gender, and double check all the details that is matching your passport and save before moving to your next section. Next is the contact data, fill in your current address, phone number, email ID and click save to proceed further. Next is the identification papers, that is the passport details. Enter your passport number, issue date, expiry date, your passport type and click save and continue. Enter your travel data. Then after entering the travel data, click save and continue. Reference information. Who can be your reference? If you have a family member, you can fill all the family members' details and click save and proceed. Means of support. Select how you will fund your stay in Germany. Whether it is by blocked account or scholarship, choose your option. Click save before moving forward. Intended place of stay in Germany. If you have secured accommodation, enter the address details. If you don't have a fixed address, enter the name of the city where you live in. Example like Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, and then proceed with save and continue. Next is health insurance confirmation. Select yes to confirm that you'll have a health insurance while in Germany. Click save. Declaration section. Usually the answers to these questions are no unless specific conditions apply. Click save and proceed to the final step. Now, uploading required documents. Make sure that all are in PDF format. The required documents to upload are passport, APS, proof of admission, motivational letter, your CV, that should be in the Europass format, language certificate like IELTS, TOEFLs, scholarship confirmation if you have received one, blocked account confirmation, that is your deposit proof and proof of health insurance. And the final step is to submit your applications. Once all the documents are uploaded, double check everything for accuracy, check for the spelling mistakes and everything is according to your passport. Then later, click submit to finalize your visa application. You will receive a confirmation email from the CSP portal. Make sure all documents are clear, properly labeled and in PDF format before uploading. Use the same email ID throughout the application to avoid any confusions. Double check the spelling and personal details to avoid processing delays. Save a copy of your filled out VIDEX form and upload documents for reference. And that's it. Your CSP application is now complete. Next, you just need to book your VFS biometric appointment and wait for visa processing. Now that you have completed the VIDEX form and uploaded all the required documents, the last step is to officially submit your application and make the visa payment. Your application is not complete until you make the visa payment. Follow the payment link and complete payment. You will see a payment link provided on the CSP portal. Click on the link and follow the instruction, fill out the payment form and make the payment. Make sure to save the payment receipt as you will need it for the next step. Now, upload the payment proof in the CSP portal. Return to your CSP visa application form and find the section where you need to upload the payment proof. Upload the receipt you just received from the payment confirmation. Click Save and continue to finalize your application. Once this is done, your CSP application is officially complete. You will now receive a confirmation email and the next step is to book your VFS biometric appointment. And now, here is a final checklist before submission. Your entry form is completed, VIDEX form is filled out, all documents are uploaded, visa payment completed, payment proof is uploaded, and the final submission is done. Congratulations, you have successfully applied for your German student visa through the CSP portal. Next step is to book your VFS biometric appointment and track your visa status. Good luck with your visa process. See you in Germany.
So why stress about the process when Coracle is making your journey smoother, smarter and stress-free? If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.